Did you know your brain cleans itself while you sleep? But only if you let it. Imagine your mind as a quiet library at night. Books returning to their shelves, dust being swept away, every thought and memory getting neatly filed for another day. This silent housekeeping is how your brain stays sharp, clear, and resilient. But after the age of 60, this nightly process doesn't work quite as smoothly as it once did. The good news? There are simple, powerful habits you can adopt each evening to keep your mind sparkling, your memory strong, and your sleep deeply restorative. Tonight, let's walk through the top 5 night habits that protect brain health after 60, plus one gentle new routine you may not have tried yet. Each habit is backed by science, easy to start, and fits naturally into the peaceful rhythm of winding down. So, settle in. Pour yourself a cup of herbal tea, grab a soft blanket, and let's explore how small changes at night can make a world of difference for your brain. First, let's talk about something that sneaks into almost every home: blue light. You've probably heard about blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs, but do you know just how much it can disrupt your brain's natural cleaning crew? Blue light from screens tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. It suppresses the release of melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to rest. When melatonin is low, your sleep is lighter and shorter. But here's the crucial part. During deep sleep, your brain's glymphatic system comes alive, washing away toxins like beta amyloid, the very substance that builds up in Alzheimer's disease. So, what can you do? Make it a gentle rule to stop using screens, phones, tablets, computers, and even bright TVs at least 90 minutes before bed. Set an alarm or use a sticky note as a friendly reminder. Swap out screen time for listening to music, reading a real book, or simply chatting with a loved one. If you enjoy puzzles or crosswords in the evening, try the paper version instead of the digital one. You might notice that your thoughts feel clearer, your dreams are more vivid, and falling asleep becomes easier. With this one habit, you're not just improving sleep, you're helping your brain sweep away the clutter that can cloud memory and slow thinking over time. Now, let's talk about something delicious. Many people worry that eating before bed is bad for their health, but the truth is, a light, brain-friendly snack about an hour before sleep can actually be a gift to your mind. As we age, blood sugar can swing more wildly, and nighttime dips may wake you up or disrupt deep sleep. When this happens, your brain misses out on the restorative phases it needs most. What kind of snack is best? Look for something that combines healthy fats, gentle protein, and a touch of natural sweetness. One perfect example: a handful of walnuts with a few slices of banana. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain cell membranes and help reduce inflammation. Bananas contain potassium and tryptophan, which support relaxation and the production of sleep-promoting serotonin. Together, they help stabilize blood sugar throughout the night, so your brain isn't startled awake in the early hours. If walnuts aren't your favorite, try a small bowl of plain yogurt with berries, a slice of whole grain toast with almond butter, or a few pumpkin seeds. The key is light, simple, and easy to digest, enough to keep your brain fueled, but not so much that your body has to work overtime to process it. Next up is a habit that doesn't require anything but a pen, paper, and a few moments of quiet reflection: gratitude journaling. It may sound simple, but the act of writing down 3 things you're thankful for each night can transform your brain's chemistry. Here's how it works. When you focus on gratitude, your brain shifts away from worry and stress. This change actually lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, making it easier to fall asleep and enter the deep, cleansing stages your brain needs. Over time, this nightly rhythm rewires your mind for resilience, optimism, and calm. It doesn't have to be complicated or poetic. Maybe you're grateful for a phone call with a friend, the taste of fresh strawberries, or the way the evening sun glowed through your window. Write it down. Let yourself relive the feeling for a moment. Even on tough days, finding something small to be grateful for reminds your brain that there is safety, comfort, and hope in the world. Many people who start gratitude journaling notice that their dreams become happier, their worries shrink, and their mornings feel lighter. Science shows that those who practice gratitude regularly not only sleep better, but also remember more and feel less lonely. Think of it as a gentle way to tuck your mind into bed, wrapped in warmth and thankfulness. Our fourth habit is one that's often overlooked, but it's deeply connected to how your brain is nourished during sleep. Gentle neck stretches and breathing exercises. You see, your brain is surrounded by a clear, nutrient-rich fluid called cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid circulates like a slow river, carrying away waste and bringing in fresh supplies. But did you know that the flow of this fluid can be improved by simply stretching your neck and breathing deeply before bed? Here's a simple routine you can try, sitting on the edge of your bed or in a comfortable chair. First, let your shoulders relax. Slowly tilt your right ear toward your right shoulder. Hold for a gentle count of 4, then return to center. Repeat on the left side. Then, drop your chin forward, feeling a gentle stretch along the back of your neck. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Try 3 rounds of this breathing, letting each breath be a little slower than the last. This gentle practice helps your neck muscles relax, opens up pathways for fluid to flow, and signals to your brain that it's safe to slow down. Over time, these small movements can help your brain's cleaning system work more efficiently, leaving you feeling refreshed and focused in the morning. Fifth, let's talk about one of the most powerful, yet underestimated habits for brain health. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. It sounds simple, but this regular rhythm is like setting your brain's internal clock. When your bedtime and wake time are consistent, your body knows exactly when to release sleep hormones, when to start the cleaning crew, and when to prepare you for a new day. This consistency supercharges the glymphatic system, the very system responsible for sweeping away the waste that can build up and lead to memory loss or cognitive decline. Many people in their 60s and beyond find that their sleep schedule drifts, sometimes staying up late one night, then rising early the next. But even small shifts can confuse your brain's timing. Try setting a gentle bedtime alarm, just as you would for waking up. Choose a time that feels natural, not forced, perhaps after your favorite evening show or after reading a few pages of a good book. In the morning, open your curtains to let in natural light. This anchors your body clock, making it easier to fall asleep the next night. Over time, you may find that you wake up feeling clearer, more energetic, and less foggy. Your brain is wired for rhythm. Give it the gift of consistency, and it will reward you with sharper thinking and steadier moods. Now, here's one new habit that's quietly gaining popularity among seniors looking for deeper, more restful sleep, especially if you sometimes struggle with insomnia or restless nights. Try listening to calming music, specifically in the 432 Hz frequency, or other gentle soundscapes designed to promote brainwave synchronization. Why 432 Hz? Some studies and anecdotal reports suggest that this frequency is naturally soothing to the human nervous system. It encourages your brain to shift into slower, more restful wave patterns, the same ones that support deep sleep and memory consolidation. You can find playlists of 432 Hz music or calming ambient sounds on many music streaming platforms. Choose something without sharp changes or heavy lyrics. Lie back, close your eyes, and let the gentle tones wash over you. The act of listening itself becomes a bedtime ritual, telling your brain it's time to unwind. For some, this music helps quiet anxious thoughts, soothe old aches, and create a peaceful transition from the busy world to a restful night. It's a simple, non-invasive way to support your brain, even if sleep has been elusive in the past. Over time, you may notice that your mind feels clearer in the morning, and you drift off more easily each night. Let's take a moment to imagine how these habits fit together, creating a peaceful, brain-protective routine that's as comforting as a favorite quilt. Picture your evening. Screens are dimmed early, replaced by soft lamplight and gentle conversation. You savor a light snack, knowing it's nourishing your brain for the night ahead. A few minutes with your gratitude journal calm your mind, turning worries into warmth. Gentle neck stretches and slow breathing help your body release the tension of the day, and you slip into bed at your usual time, perhaps with soft music playing in the background. Each of these steps, though simple, signals to your brain, you are safe, you are cared for. It's time to heal and rest. Science is clear. The habits we practice in the hours before bed don't just affect how well we sleep. They shape how well our brains age. By protecting your brain at night, you give yourself the gift of clearer memory, steadier moods, and more joyful days. You reduce your risk of dementia and cognitive decline, and you wake up each morning with the clarity and energy you need to savor life's precious moments. Remember, it's never too late to start. Whether you pick one habit or try them all, you're taking an active role in your own well-being. Begin with the step that feels easiest or most inviting. Maybe tonight you'll turn off screens early and listen to calming music. Maybe you'll try a gentle stretch or write down 3 things you're grateful for. Each action is a promise to your future self, a way of saying, I matter, my brain matters, I am worthy of care. These simple habits can protect your mind, even while you sleep. Which one will you try tonight? If this guidance helped you, or if you have a loved one who might benefit, consider subscribing for more tips to keep your brain sharp and calm, even after 60. At Star Healthy, we're here to walk with you, every step of the way, toward a life that's not just longer, but richer and more joyful. Sleep well, and remember, your best years are ahead.